Lily. Lily. Hey. Where's my Lily girl? Lily girl. Hi. Hi there. Is that your cool thing that we took from your brother? I got the boys this basketball floaty thing for the pool, but she really enjoys it. She really likes it. Huh? And she likes her little car. And your ball.
The colors of the rainbow.
Good girl. You're playing soccer, huh? You're playing soccer. Get him.
Hey, catch me if you can.
This is her maraca. Huh? Show us how you play. Show us how you play. Good girl. Yay. Whoops, you dropped it. You better get it. You better get it. You don't want to get it. Good girl. No, go play. You don't need to play with my camera. You silly girl. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Get your ball. Good girl. Good girl. Uh-oh, it's going right to the no-no corner where all our games are. But I think she's interested more in that. Huh? Here, show them how you do this, Lily. Look. No, not the blinds. Lily, Lily. Hey. Here, come get this. Come get this. Lily, come get this. She attacks it. Yeah. You attack that thing, don't ya? It's nice and soft because it floats. I had to blow it up. Perfect thing for babies, huh? It's like your little own tumble toy. And then she'll go sit in the middle of it sometimes. Hey. Go tumble, or go sit in the middle. Monkey in the middle. Monkey in the middle. Lily. Up, phone call. Let's see who that is. I'm gonna go now because her back's to us, but bye-bye.